Hearing test is not dreadful, not time consuming, and definitely not painful. If you are someone or know someone who's been avoiding a hearing test, this video is for you. Today, let me walk you through what really happens in a hearing test. It all begins with a simple chat. We ask a few questions about your hearing habits, lifestyle, and any challenges you faced, just to understand you better. Next, we take a quick look inside your ears using an otoscope, just to make sure everything looks healthy. We check for earwax buildup, infections, or any blockages that could be affecting your hearing. Along with that, a simple initial check is done using tuning fork or basic sounds to understand how your ear is responding before we move on to the detailed hearing test. Then comes the main part, the actual hearing test. We will take you to a quiet soundproof room so there are no outside noises to disturb the process. You will be asked to wear a pair of headphones and we will play a series of soft beeps and tones at different pitches and volumes. Each time you hear a sound, even if it is faint, you just need to raise your hand or press a button. This helps us understand how well you hear across different frequencies and volumes. Your response are then plotted on something called an audiogram. It's basically a simple chart that visually shows how well you hear different sounds and pitches. It helps us identify which sounds you might be missing, like soft voices, high-pitched tones, or background noises. This chart becomes your personal hearing profile, and it's what helps the audiologist suggest the right solution for you. Once the test is done, your audiologist will sit down with you and explain what the result means in very simple terms. You will understand whether your hearing is within the normal range or if there is any mild or moderate or severe hearing loss. If there is a concern, we will also discuss what's causing it and what the next steps could be. From simple ear cleaning or medication to choose the right hearing aid if needed. The goal is to make sure you clearly understand your hearing health before you leave. That's it. Quick, comfortable, and absolutely pain-free. In just a few minutes, you will walk out knowing exactly how well you hear and what your ears truly need. A simple test today can prevent a much bigger problem tomorrow. So don't wait or overthink it. Book your free hearing test at Hearphone and take the first step towards better hearing.